To set up portable hotspot on Poco X7 Pro, first we need to open a settings on our device and navigate down to the portable hotspot, and then we'll be able to enable or disable our hotspot. You can then also click on the setup to adjust the name of your hotspot, change the password, switch to different security options. If you don't want any password on that network, select none. Then in device identification, you can go for a default or a portable hotspot. You can also change the AP band 2.4G or 5G. 2.4G gives you a wider range of your hotspot, while 5G increases a speed of it. Then there's the option to hide your SSID, which will force any other device to connect with it manually. So now when we have everything ready, we can click on done and activate our hotspot. Then you can connect with it using normal Wi-Fi settings on your device or using share QR code. And that is basically everything.